Show y'all my bead roller here. See that right there? That right there? See that end right there? Watch this. See if I can get that done. Watch this. Let's take these pliers right here. See these pliers? See that lump right there? Watch this. And there you go. See, a lot of people take theirs and they cut them all up, slice them up. You ain't got to cut them. You don't have to cut them up. Get this crap out the way. Hold on, y'all. And then just go all the way around with it. Take a little time, but that's all right. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. $8 pair of pliers. $8. And look what they can do for you. Look at it. The only thing you got is that little small indentation right there. That's gonna get covered up once you put it in the once you go in that plastic silicone. Look at it. See that? Ain't that bad. That's how you do it.